Oh. Okay. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Devon back with another video, and we got Miss Jazzy J in the cut, looking beautiful as always. We got Mama down there with her bathing suit two-piece on. I don't know what she got going on, but that's like something my mama bought her, so it is what it is. Today we are about to go out on a boat for a few hours. We are in Tampa, Florida. We're just chilling, surfing the waves, and we're just gonna be vibing today. Just a little vlog, you know. And we go back home today. We've been here for the weekend.
Get your booty off of
So, and we got family and friends. So we was gonna ride jet skis, but we got the babies and everything. So we decided to just, you know, get a boat. Mama, you have anything to say to the camera? What you want to say? Huh? What you want to say, doo-doo? Nothing? You got your belly out? Okay, seems like Mama don't got no word for us this morning. But, we're about to get ready to go down and meet with the others and get on the boat and finish up everything. So,
I think we're gonna need diapers.
say we're gonna need diapers?
Sure, we got 2 diapers here?
No, I put one on, put on the bed. Our boat is exactly the one with the blue top, not the lighter blue, but the darker blue. We will let you guys know when we're on the boat and out. And I'll probably switch to the GoPro because I don't want the camera to get wet or anything. So we're just gonna go like that, and we'll hit you guys up. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to the video. Let us know if you guys are loving the everyday, every other day videos. And okay, everybody, we are finally done with paperwork, done with everything. Our boat is ready. It's a pretty decent boat. Comes with the hotel. So, I mean, don't come with the hotel, you still gotta pay for it, but this is behind our hotel. Now we're getting ready to load up. I gotta go get Jazz and them because they are gone. Pretty sure they're going to get something to eat, but we are headed over to Whiskey Joe's, which is Hogan's Beach. And we're gonna probably get us some food out there and have a little fun, and I'll hit you guys back once we're done. All right, y'all, now we are set off to sea. We are out, just not leaving. From on land. You got she's counting right there. You see her? For somebody who can't swim, he sure put a lot of movement. You got Miss Sheesh.
What's up, what's up?
You got Jazzy J. You got Sasha, the one who tried to prank me but failed tremendously. And we just off, you know. We just vlogging. Hey, what your name is, Captain what?
Captain Sheesh.
Captain
Captain
Sheesh.
Sheesh never leaves his ship.
And so the big go down, you going down with it.
All the way.
40 meters deep.
I tell you.
That ain't the safe one to go. How many I do this one is?
Oh yeah, and his one slogan is,
Stop.
what's the slogan? What's your slogan for the feet, what?
Oh, baby.
Oh, the toes is out.
The toes is out. What? What you doing?
Want to get out of it?
You just ain't feeling it?
Make an egg cheese bite. Thank you.
Right now, you know what I'm saying? We just right now.
Mama look like she not feeling the boat.
Oh, yeah. Survival guys, the shit goes down. Go.
He came from.
9.
So you still got 9 more, right?
Boil your
Let's
water.
go. Huh?
Boil your water.
She said boiled water.
Get some glass.
All right. Break 10, Survival guys. What? Go.
Hey, never swim alone. Make sure you stay up top. Always breathe. Stay focused. Never leave your family. And know how to swim. Okay? And
Gabby.
don't spook. Stay calm.
Come on.
See that? Y'all see how I nailed that? You ain't gonna think about nail one of them. That's go out.
Alright, 10 survivor guys. A captain never leaves the ship. Look at our neighbor.
Drop me off over there. Drop me off over there. I'll walk back. I can stick my Uber out, and somebody will pick me up. God damn it.
You want an Uber?
Oh, my ass is not feeling right.
Just never walk the boat. You feel better?
No, I'm not walking the boat.
Y'all, we having fun.
Hey y'all.
Jazz
spooking.
the boat. Oh my God. What are you doing? Trying to stand up. No. No, you.
Stand up. I mean, yeah, she's supposed to sit down.
Sit down. Don't do a split. Sit down.
Come on.
Okay. Okay, stay. Okay. Is there space over there?
Yeah.
That's it. Resume normal speeds.
Okay, this shit.
Oh yeah, see?
You bird? That's not good.
Your sword? He said he should have brought his sword. The dagger? Alright, y'all gotta go back to normal speed.
I can't get jiggy with this.
Alright, you guys, we have just docked at Whiskey Joe's, which is on Hogan's Beach. Good Sunday, just chilling. Everything is going great. We made it safely. Jazz is feeling better. Your stomach don't hurt no more, do it? I know. Is that
Still tired.
Look at this. Hey, listen. Gay said he enjoyed his life.
You on a boat right by a hotel. You know, the boat was like 2. She paid for mine. Yeah.
Mr. Sheesh.
She paid for mine. We paid $150 for mine.
Gabby's so sleepy.
Mama, you up?
Gabby's up yet?
Huh?
Gabby's up yet?
Nah, Gabby out.
Mama!
She got it already. Jazz put it on both of them.
Yeah. Y'all drinking out there? What you got on a life jacket? No.
I got a baby.
They become awesome.
Oh, ain't they?
Yeah, I don't know
I
about
got
this
milk
bullshit.
in them.
Ever again.
Gabe do.
That little dangly thing that's taking my throat.
Huh? Wow.
Babe. Sam,
Vlog. Okay, y'all see Stank a Booty?
Hey, we still on live? Damn.
Hey, listen, it's fine. Y'all have all the
I have to fart.
now. That's fine. See,
And I think I let it loose. Excuse me.
hey, that's very wicked and evil. I wouldn't do that to my worst enemy.
He said putting the high side on the toilet is evil.
What? Oh.
But that boat, ain't no crazy about it. You can't see nothing, but all you can hear is the whole thing. The whole thing you can hear.
Y'all, his booty got burnt.
He said it was hot and cold.
His booty got burnt last night.
Listen, that's fine. People want to prank. It's okay. It's good. We all gonna go with the
What's
prank.
up, man? Y'all already know what it is. Dripping. You feel me?
You're not dripping.
I did record it, but
Your
you
shorts
can hear the whole
look
thing.
mighty
You can't see
short.
the pussy, but
Niecy Pooh, Cardia, Bay,
you can go out and
got
check out.
Sasha, and
See-
Mr.
see
Sheesh
Vince?
out there in the water enjoying life.
Oh, there go Pop.
Hey, look. He ain't take the chains off.
Oh,
the
y'all
water,
already
boo.
he said he'll beat your ass.
Oh, you see on YouTube will take their chains off when they get in that water.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know why. Yeah, we don't do that.
So you finna go back out to Auntie's house tonight?
No, we don't.
Hey, you know, hey, you see the shit?
Did she, after you rubbed her hip for hours? Did she go to sleep all night? So I'm saying, after you left last night, her house, did she go back to sleep?
Hey.
Okay, stop it.
All right, you guys.
Where's my shorts?
We were just docked. Now we are out. Look at the kayak. We were just docked. Now we are.
Okay, move your damn feet.
Do we need a seatbelt?
Okay, I ain't putting it back
We
on.
need a seatbelt.
Thank you, Ruth. Oh, thank you.
Now we are leaving, headed back to the hotel. Take a bath. Not feeling like salt. We should have put some of this water in that lemonade. Get some taste in that bitch. Bitch was drinking salt water. I think we can actually go in.
No, you can't, because they're even drying and smelling like jet ski.
No, I'm talking about one. Them jet skis like that. They take it from the dirt to the water, man. Look at all that rocking. Hot, nah. They try to get up under that shade. Y'all see how he used up under the shade?
You see me, I ain't out there,
Hey, look.
what he called it, sun tanning?
Yeah. Oh, you don't got a tan, trust me.
Oh, no, I ain't worried about that, you know what I'm saying? I got dirt everywhere. You get beta too, huh? Oh, they got a colorful one too, to go to it too. I sure got that one. Thank you. I should got the other one.
All right, y'all. We're gonna be headed back. Get y'all when we get back to the room. Okay, you guys, hold on. Okay, you guys, so now we have just gotten back from on the boat, and we are getting ready to head back home. I'll let you guys know once we get on the road, and then back home, back to our normal schedules, back to uploading. Well, we uploaded at least one today, and this is the second one, so we basically uploaded, but we didn't upload Friday, I think. But like I said, if you guys are loving the uploads, make sure you comment down, let us know that you want us to keep dropping every day or every other day or whatever it is. Just let us know and DM us on some of our social medias and give us some ideas. All right? So we'll hit you guys up on the road. All right, you guys. We are out. Peace.
Come on, Steve. Mumps.
Come on, mama. Trying to be nosy. We are headed down the stairs.
Your booty stink.
Doodle. Mama, say hi.
Say. Okay. With all the nasty fingers, now I gotta spray your hand.
Spray down. Got the Lysol your whole body. What time is it?
3:47. I don't know. Late.
Watch mama, y'all. Watch once the elevator start going down. Watch how mama. Watch how mama act.
Push.
Low.
That.
Don't let her push her down.
No, baby.
Watch this. Watch it go down. She always run. And she let go and go back crazy.
No stink.
These niggas acting like they got it, they pretending, nigga. I caught the bag, I got the money apprehended, nigga. Chasing non-stop, I'm long-winded, nigga. Call me Money Mayweather. Cause